कैमरा रेडी? 5 मिनट्स। और बताओ, हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस ले लिया? मेरी कंपनी मुझे कॉर्पोरेट प्लान देती है, सो मुझे कोई इंडिविजुअल प्लान की जरूरत ही नहीं है। अपने 20s में हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस प्लान लेना बहुत जरूरी है, इवन इफ योर कंपनी ऑफर्स यू अ कॉर्पोरेट प्लान। हियर्स व्हाई। नंबर 1, inadequate cover. Most corporate plans range from 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs and बढ़ते inflation में even you know that a 5 lakh plan is not enough. इसीलिए even if you have a corporate plan, you need an individual plan with a cover of 10 lakhs or so. Trust me, it's not even that costly if you buy early. Number 2, most corporate plans are not comprehensive. In fact, they may have room rent restrictions or disease-wise sublimits or co-pay clause. That means even if you have a plan, you might have to pay a part of your medical bill. To give you some context, suppose your plan has a copay clause of 20%. That means if your bill is 1 lakh, you have to pay 20,000 rupees. That's still a lot of money. So it makes sense to get an individual plan without these limits. This way you won't have to pay any part of the bill. In fact, even if you choose to use your corporate plan, you can pay your share of the bill using your individual plan. So it's a win-win. आपका corporate plan भी waste नहीं हुआ और खुद की pocket से भी कुछ नहीं गया. And lastly, reason number 3. What if you quit or get laid off? Obviously, the perks of your corporate plan end with your employment. So what happens if you get admitted during your job hunt? Or what if your new employer doesn't even offer a corporate plan? I mean, you ultimately have to get an individual plan. अब difference ये है कि you will have to go through the waiting periods. And during this waiting period, you will remain vulnerable and uncovered. And ये भी हो सकता है that now that you're older, you might have developed some diseases which make you more vulnerable. There might be some loading charges on them too. But had you purchased a plan when you were young, fit and already covered by a corporate plan, you would have comfortably finished your waiting periods and any illness that you developed then would be then covered. So yes, this is exactly why you should get an individual plan even if you have a corporate one. समझे ब्रो? और वैसे भी कोई डाउट हो तो डिट्टो इंश्योरेंस तो है ही ना। To understand more about health insurance or find the best plan for you, talk to us at Ditto Insurance for honest and spam-free insurance advice. You can take your time, understand your options and get back to us when you are ready. And if you do choose to buy from us, we'll be there with you 24/7 for any claim settlement assistance. And we do all this for free. So get in touch with us at the link in description. Till then, like, share and subscribe. Happy insurance hunting!